So our very next hands-on green building and tiny house building design workshop, you will actually build, going to be in Joshua Tree at the Atomic Ranch, March 23rd through the 25th. RelaxShacks.com for details.
And we like to use the old paper bag flooring because it's lightweight, it's very cheap to do, and it holds up very, very well. So you're not having a lot of weight when you're traveling and doing other things.
How do you do this paper bag flooring, just for some of the...
The first thing that you do is you take paper bag and you wad it up, you tear it into pieces and you wad it up, and then you stretch it back out and take a bottle of mist or water and just sort of hit it a little bit. And then you put, I like to use the water-based Minwax. It's a water-based polyurethane because it does well with the water you just put on the paper bag.
Okay.
And then you put that on the ground, on the floor first, then you put your paper bag down, spread it out, and then take your brush and put another coat over it. I like to put a total of 4 coats over the paper bag so that it holds up really, really well. I've got one that I did 15 years ago that still looks like brand new today. So
it's
it works
cool.
very, very well.
Now, would it work with newspaper or anything like that, or is that too thin?
It'll work with newspaper too. The coolest one I did, a guy was an old sailor, and he had a whole bunch of the paper maps, sailing maps, and we did that all over the floor. Turned out really well. I've done a bunch of them with Trader Joe's bags on the bottom. That turned out really, really cool too.
The comics, the colored comic Sunday, that'd be kind of interesting.
There you go.
For like a kiddish structure.
Yeah. And actually, that's what I was asking you about your book, because I'm going to take that and do it all over. On the floor.
Really? Yeah. Hey, I'd be honored, actually, man. Yeah.